Do you know what the inside layout of this luxurious container house design? In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. There is a 20 feet 3 shipping containers. The total area I have taken is the width is 20 feet in meter 6 meter and the length is 24 feet in meter 7.31 meter. So in the front we have a sliding door here. After that we will go inside. So we have living area. You can see here the sofa arrangement, tea table arrangement and also TV unit on the front wall, and we have a chair arrangement. And on the back side we have common area. You can see here the sofa arrangement, and we have common use washroom plus water closet here with wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. You can see here the large glass panel for ventilation and light purpose of this area. After that we will go inside. So we have kitchen cum dining area. You can see here the kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement. Also dining counter with 2 chairs and large glass panel for ventilation and light purpose. And on the left side we have bedroom here. You can see here the bed arrangement and wardrobe arrangement. Also large size window for ventilation and light purpose. And we have attached washroom plus water closet with this room. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.